remember, Patrick. The formula is somewhere in the Krusty Krab. I'm 99.9% sure of it. Oh, but what if I'm wrong? It could be anywhere in the Krusty Krab. That place is full of great memories. I remember when I got my first promotion. Oh! I've got it! Of course! Now I remember! I put the formula in the safe! After all, Mr. Krabs told me to put it somewhere safe. Ah! Boy, I love it when things work out.
Sponge fool! Little did you realize that while desperately trying to keep me away from the formula, you've only succeeded in leading me directly to it! And now that I know its precious location, your beloved Krusty Krab is doomed! And all before lunchtime.
What?
Ah, my brilliant plan has struck you speechless, I see. I think the words you're searching for are, Plankton, you're a genius. Well, SpongeBob, you and your holes will have to excuse me. There's a secret formula out there with my name on it.
Mr. Krabs is the only name on that formula.
Not when I get through with it. Watch your fingers!
Oh, goody! Oh, and I've come so far! I won't let Mr. Krabs down now!
Stay away from the tulips!
Next week. I'll knock into a half-hour tomorrow. Beware, my multi-hammer technique. I can lick anything you throw at me.
SpongeBob. I deceived you, I outsmarted you, I won! And now I shall go to claim my prize, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. Hey! That won't buff out! I designed this with you in mind, SpongeBob.
Put a little spring in your step. Easy come, easy go. Excuse me, but you seem to be in my hammer's way. You'll recognize me. This is the Captain Dash. I feel 30 super at once. Boing, boing, boing. Find more power.
Nothing shall escape from the Krabby Patty formula. I'm gonna crush you so bad, SquarePants, you're gonna have to eat through a straw. Oh, my beautiful Crab Crusher! Okay.
I love it when a plan comes together. Yeah! That's how we do things downtown.
Woo! SpongeBob! What is this? Some kind of mutiny? Why aren't you flipping patties for the big celebration? Time is money!
It was so horrible, Mr. Krabs. I was trapped inside Plankton's evil machine, and there was no bathroom in there.
What are you talking about, lad?
Well, Mr. Krabs, a funny story. I thought I lost the secret formula.
Lost the secret formula? I told you to put it in the safe! This is a mutiny!
Don't worry, Mr. Krabs. I said I thought I lost the secret formula, but I didn't. I did put it in the safe. I put it. I was 100% sure. Oh, Mr. Krabs. I feel dizzy. I can't breathe. I can't feel my legs. Oh, wait. Here it is. Ah! It was in my back pocket the whole time.
Hey, that's me lottery ticket! Oops! I guess I never gave you the formula after all. Ah, here it is! It was in my back pocket the whole time!
Your back pocket of
10 years of frustration. 10 long years of chasing after that formula. I almost had it that time, too. Oh, the anguish, the humiliation. Ah! Well, I'll try again tomorrow.
Hey, look at me! I'm jellyfishing! Come here, little jellyfish, and get in my net! Stop swimming so fast!
Have you seen my reading spectacles?
Reading pectorals?
Never mind.
You're my favorite. I'm gonna call you Freckles. Don't run from my love net. It's bigger than the both of us.
Keep on the lookout for one slightly confused and very lost superhero. He might be wearing an earmuff over one eye.
Monica boy! Monica boy, where are you?
I'm not gonna hurt you, little jellyfish. I just want to keep you in a jar on top of my television.
Mermaid Man, do you remember that time we cornered that evil tiger shark guy? What was his name?
Was it Mermaid Man?
Never mind.
Oh!
Evil!
You're my favorite. I'm gonna call you Freckles. Cause you're Freckles. Freckles are funny. Stop swimming so fast. I've only got 5 legs and one of them's my head. Hey, look at me! I'm jellyfishy! Don't run from my love net! It's bigger than the both of us! If there's anything more fun than jellyfishing, I haven't found it yet! I want to pet the pretty jellyfish! Don't run away, little jelly clam! You complete me!
Just make sure you turn off the lights when you leave. Thanks.